What is going on, people? Crypto Renegade here again with another video for you. And in today's video, you guessed it, it's another review. Today I'm going to talk about CoinMama. So if you're looking to buy Bitcoin with a debit card or a credit card very quickly, very easily, and if time is of the essence, stay tuned for this video. I'm going to show you how easy it is to get this done. So one of the things I wanted to jump right into here is, well, first off, before I jump into what it is, I just want to point out my website, bitcoinlockup.com. I just actually published an article this morning going into it, kind of an in-depth of all of this, how it all works, and so on and so forth. So if you want to get more information than you might find on this video, go ahead and check out bitcoinlockup.com. It is the most recent article. So what I wanted to point out here is, people are looking, for the most part, are looking to get Bitcoin with a debit card or a credit card. Maybe they don't want to put in their bank information. Maybe they don't want to wait 7 to 10 days like you would on Coinbase, to get access to Bitcoin. Maybe the price is swinging and you want to go in right away and make it very quick. There's a lot of reasons you might want to use a debit card or a credit card to invest in Bitcoin for any number of reasons. So I wanted to give you the best and quickest way that I've personally used multiple times, and that is CoinMama. So CoinMama is a company that has been around since 2013, and they are the first on the market to offer a direct Bitcoin purchase with debit card and credit card. They have since added new cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, XRP, ADA, QTUM, and a few others, and we'll take a look at those in just a minute. But this is the quickest way, and when I say quick, I'm talking about you can get verified and get up to $15,000 worth of Bitcoin in less than 10 minutes. So it's actually very, very efficient, especially if time is of the essence, like I was mentioning, and you really want to make sure that you're getting all that you can right away. So we're going to jump over to the site real quick, answer a few questions, and then hopefully this may or may not help you. I'll leave a link down below if it's something that you do want to sign up for. I believe it'll give you an extra 5% discount on your first purchase if you use the link, or don't use it, don't really care, just wanted to give you that option. So if we hop over to coinmama.com, it's very, very quick, very, very painless. You enter your email address. They ask for some very, very basic KYC information. I mean, just basically the bare minimum in order for you to use a credit card to get Bitcoin, right? So there are, of course, other ways that you can do it anonymously. There are other ways that you can obtain Bitcoin where you don't have to provide any identifying information, but that defeats this purpose because it does take a lot longer. I mean, you can use something like local Bitcoin, or you can use, a private transaction with a private seller if you want to meet in a back alley or whatever. But again, that's not instant. You can't get that done typically in less than 10 minutes. So I'm going to close out of this little pop out down here, as you can see where my little mouse is right here. But I do want to let you know that there is a 0 fee option that you can do if you want to use your banking information. If you don't mind, waiting a couple of days in order to get access, this is a cheaper option. So you can use your bank account, 0 fees whatsoever, and you get higher limits as well. So that is an option, but that's typically not what people come to this website for. There are other websites, like I mentioned before. There's like Coinbase and other exchanges where you can get Bitcoin purchases, but it takes a lot longer. So again, the key points here is you can buy it with a credit card, buy it with a debit card. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and there's some other ones, I think. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, QTUM, and Ethereum Classic. And you can buy all of these in any amount that you want on level 1 verification, which is the one that is less than 10 minutes. You can get up to $15,000 USD worth. So that's actually a very high limit for minimal verification. You get high spending limits, instant delivery. So again, once you're verified and you hit checkout, it is done instantly. Whatever wallet address that you give them, you can send it directly to a hardware wallet. You can send it to a mobile wallet. You can do it to a software desktop wallet. Doesn't matter. You can send it anywhere you want. It's very, very quick and painless. So actually, when I was looking to get Bitcoin, for my business a couple years ago, and I didn't have the ability, or I didn't have the time, rather, to wait for bank account verification. I was looking for a solution that I could use my bank debit card so that I could get Bitcoin very, very quickly. I needed to make some business payments, and they accepted Bitcoin. So I needed to convert some of my holdings into Bitcoin, and this was the most trusted and well-respected company that was actually first to the market, as I mentioned, that allowed a direct purchase with a debit card or a credit card. And this was back in early 2016. So I made it my first transaction. It did take less than 10 minutes. I was very impressed. And since I've made a few more transactions here and there. So I will be upfront. There are some credit card fees and some other fees to get this done. There is essentially a small price to pay to get it done quickly, right? So you can avoid those fees if you're not in a hurry and you're okay waiting several business days to get it. But if you need Bitcoin now, like if there's a trade that you need to make, or if there's something that you just need it for now and you can't afford to wait, you have to pay someone in Bitcoin, you can't wait several days. This is very good if you need Bitcoin now with no nonsense, anything like that. If you want to get it in 10 minutes or less, this is honestly your best option. There are other options out there like Paxful and Changely, but again, those typically take longer. This is really the quickest, and I've used it a handful of times myself, so I can vouch for that. You can choose preset amounts, 100, 500, 1,000. There's a sliding scale, and it goes off of what the current rate is. And once you enter in the transaction, it locks in your rate. So, if the rate fluctuates in the 10 minutes that you're getting verified, it'll lock in the rate when you first hit, move to the next screen. So you're good to go there. As it says here, all you do is register, finalize, and then buy. It's very, very simple. Again, you're not going to find a lot of banks and a lot of other websites that are going to allow you to do debit card or credit card. So this is going to be your best option if you want to do that. I believe the fees, depending on whether you're using a debit card or a credit card, they're going to range anywhere between 5 to 10%. So you do want to factor that in, when making this choice. Like I said, I'm going to be upfront and honest. It's not the cheapest option, but if time is what you need something done quickly and you don't mind paying a little bit more to get it done, this is absolutely the best way to do it. So it doesn't cost anything to sign up or register an account. It'll tell you what the exact fee is when you go to process the payment and you're verified. It's a really, really trustworthy payment processor. So just wanted to make a quick review video on this. If anyone was curious, if CoinMama was legit. Like I said, I've personally used it myself, so I can confirm that it is legitimate. There's no hassle. There's no sketchiness. You send in some personal information and it's good to go very, very quick. It's very responsive and on target there. So, if you have any questions about this, the ins and outs, whatever, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below. If you found value in this, please give me a thumbs up. If you hated it, give me a thumbs down. Give me some feedback on the type of videos. I do a lot of hardware wallet and other crypto videos, and I want to make it easier for the world to obtain crypto, manage crypto, and store it safely, which is why I started my website, bitcoinlockup.com. So again, check out the website, tons of reviews, tons of bonuses, things like that. If you're interested, if you're not, no big deal. I just want to help the crypto community and help people, come into the crypto community as much as I possibly can, by making sure they have the right information and by making sure that, they feel safe and they feel like they have enough information to make the jump. So as best as I can help people, if you have any general crypto questions, leave them down below in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them for you personally. And that's going to be it for today's video. Stay tuned I have some part 2 videos for some new crypto hardware wallets coming out in the next week. So stay tuned for that and subscribe if you like the channel. So appreciate it. Crypto Renegade out.